So here we have a question: 5 divided by 5 multiply 5 plus 5 minus 5. So let's solve this question by using a PEMDAS. So here we have one division, here we have one multiplication, here we have one addition, and here we have one subtraction. So multiplication and division have first priority, then we have to solve addition and subtraction, and also multiplication and division both have equal priority, so we have to solve it from left to right. So first we have to solve this division. 5 divided by 5. So 5 divided by 5 is equal to 1. Now the expression becomes 1 multiply 5 plus 5 minus 5. Now we have one multiplication, one addition, and one subtraction. So according to PEMDAS, first we have to solve multiplication, then we have to solve addition and subtraction. Okay. So now 1 multiply 5. So 1 multiply 5 is equal to 5. So the expression becomes 5 plus 5 minus 5. Now addition and subtraction both have equal priority, so we have to solve it from left to right. So first we have to solve this addition. 5 plus 5 is equal to 10. So now the expression becomes 10 minus 5. Now 10 minus 5 is equal to 5. So now the correct answer is 5, right?